Right, hi guys, super quick video on this one. Just installed the Ghost on this Audi RS6, and on some of the other videos, some of the comments have been, that looks like a bit of a faff to use, install, put in your car. Every time you get in it, it's going to be messing about. So this video is super fast. I'm going to show you how easy it is. Get in the car, unlock the car, get in the car, turn the ignition on, press the code, car started. I'm good to drive away now. Before I even shut the door, the car is done. Alright, so I hope that proved just how quick it is to use a Ghost. And you want to know how to set the Ghost? I've done it. That's it. Ghost is set, ready to go. That's how simple it is if you actually own the car. Obviously if you were stealing the car, things could become a lot more hard work for you.